Welcome back. At the Congress meeting held at Amona in view of the forthcoming Pali by-election, Vishwajit Rane baffled everyone, saying that he is not holding any key to the victory in Pali constituency.
काही लोक म्हणतात पेपरात पाळी मतदारसंघाची चावी माझ्या हातीना म्हणजे कोणा काही आमचे कार्यक्रम सांगचे की दुसऱ्याक वचून मतदान करा हांव कसो सांगू शकता एकूच लोकांक सांगचे अशें म्हाका दिसता की जे कितें पेपरान येता जे विरोधी पक्ष करता एकूच सांगचे दिसता की हांवें काँग्रेस पक्षा खातीर हांगा कार्य केल्लें आसा गुरुदास वांगडा आमी वाड्या वाड्यांनी पाळी मतदारसंघात भोंवन आमी काँग्रेस पक्षाचे जे प्रिन्सिपल एंड व्हॅल्यू सिस्टम जे लोकां मदीं व्हरपाचो आमी प्रयत्न केलो आसा.
Pratap Gawers requested the people to give him an opportunity to complete the dreams of Gurudas Gawers.
गुरुदासान जवळ ज्या भागात कार्य विकासाची जी गंगा आलेली आसा ते पुरे स्वप्न करपाचे आमची प्रयत्न आसतले आणि आमच्या फाटल्यान आमचे प्रताप सिंग राणे आसा विश्वजीत राणे आसा आमचे मुख्यमंत्री आसा आणि आमचे मंत्रिमंडळात सगळे जे मंत्री आसात सगळ्यांचा आमका सहभाग आसा.
The dignitaries included South Goa MP Francisco Sardinia, Congress spokesperson Vishnu Wagh, Youth Congress President Sankalp Amonkar, and Punch members of Pali and Navili. Vishnu Wagh alleged that it is not a new story that BJP and especially Manohar Parrikar use their MLAs for vested interest.
भारतीय जनता पक्षाच्या तिकिटाचेर गेल्या फावट डॉक्टर सुरेश आमोणकर लढलेलो आज दोतोराक काढलो भायर मारलो बीजेपीची ही नीत पहिली पासून जे कोण काम करतात त्यांना वेळ येतकच भायर मारप ही बीजेपीची आणि खास करून मनोहर पर्रीकरांची रीत.
But right now, Congress is focusing upon keeping the party and workers united. They are also trying to take advantage of the split in Pali BJP. Our reporter from Pali, Uday Parab.
Indian tricolor has landed on moon. In coming 7 years, ISRO plans to send an Indian to space. But what would we call the Indian spaceman? Americans name their moon man as astronaut, Russians as cosmonauts, and Chinese taikonauts. But Goa's very own Astro Kids have suggested a name for an Indian spaceman. What is it? Let's find out in this report.
I can see Jupiter, which has 69 moons, out of which you can see only 4 moons. They are Ganymede, Callisto, Io and Europa. And this is Vega, which is down, that is Altair, and that side is Deneb.
Astro Kids, or in simple words, little space enthusiasts. Name of different constellations, satellites, supernovas are on their tip of the tongue. Astro Kid is a club of children at public observatory based in Junta House, Panji. There are more than 80 kids in this group. They scan sky with the help of telescopes. Besides Pink Children's Day, 14 November is special for them as observatory is made open to public on this day. They are all happy with Chandrayaan-1 success and moon impact probes successfully landing with Tiranga on moon. When asked about what an Indian should be called in space suit, some of them had a discussion and came out with an interesting name.
We are extremely happy that our Indian flag has landed on the moon. Now we would like India to undertake a manned space mission. As Americans are called astronauts, Russians are called cosmonauts, and Chinese are called taikonauts, we want Indians to be called Isronauts. Isronauts.
Isn't it good? After all, they are the future of the space science of this nation. They have big ambitions to reach the outer world.
I want to become an astronaut.
I want to do something in astronomy which will help the earth.
I want to be an astronomer.
I want to do astronomy and continue like an astronaut. I want to be a cosmonaut.
I want to do something related to astronomy.
And who knows, these ignited minds can one day walk on the surface of the moon being an ambassador to only a natural satellite. Our reporter in Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar.
The villagers of Pirna and Nadora opposed any mining project in their village. people unitedly voiced their opposition in a public hearing held at Pirna.
A public meeting was called on Friday at Pinna. The residents of Pinna and Nadora opposed the operation of mining in their area. Here is what Sarpanch of Nadora, Madhura Mandrekar, has to say.
आम्ही ग्रामसभेत ठराव घेतला सगळ्या लोकांनी आणि तो आम्ही ठराव मांडलेलो आसा. आमकां मायनीक नाका ती. आमच्या इतर मायन तर आमच्या गांवांत जाय जाल्यार आमकां कितलोच रोग जावं शकता. हे धुळी फुडें माणूस चुकिना आनी प्रत्येक गांव थोड्या गांवांनी मायन जाल्ली आसा. ते कशें कितें वनवास काडटा तें आमी जालें आमकां खबर आसा. आमकां मायन नाका.
पूण हांव कितें म्हणटा की मायन जेन्ना जाता तेन्ना बाबा सर्वे नंबर 82 हो म्हाज्या वॉर्ड कडशाल विलेज जंय म्हाजे भाव रावता जवळ जवळ 13 ते 15 फॅमिली रावता. त्यांचे जीवन त्यांच्या दोंगराच्या वयर काजी आसात. त्यांची सकयल शेतां आसा सकयल न्हंय आसा.
Our correspondent in Mapsa, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.